Hey buddy, today in this video we're making Instapot pork spare ribs with black bean sauce. Let's begin. We have here some pork riblets. It's a little bit over 2 pounds and it's at $2.99 per pound. You can use any size pork spare ribs or back ribs cut to a shorter length. And now let's open it up. Let's take it out. There we go. First thing what we're going to do is chop them into smaller pieces. Just cut it in between the bone. Cut it between the bones. There we go. We have all the pork spare ribs cut up, and now let's put it into the Instapot. We're going to put all the pork spare ribs in. We're going to put in 2 cups of chicken broth. There we go, we have 2 cups of chicken broth. We're going to put in several slices of ginger. We'll need 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2. 2 tablespoons of black bean garlic sauce. 1, 2. 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. 1, 2. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. 1, 2. 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine. 1, 2. 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. 1, 2, 3. 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. That's 1, 2, 3. And a 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper. There you go. We're going to stir everything all together. Okay, everything is nicely blended together, and now let's start cooking. This is what it looks like before we close it up. We're going to push pressure cook, and we're going to cook it at 25 minutes. And we'll be back. The red pin has gone up, that means almost fully preheated. Okay, it's fully preheated and the timer started for 25 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 25 minutes on high pressure. Now we're just going to let it natural release for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes on natural release, and now let's release the pressure. The red pin has dropped back down, that means safe to open. Looking good. To thicken the sauce, we're going to put it on saute mode. To thicken up the sauce, we need a 1/4 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Here's 1 tablespoon, 2. Stir it all up. Okay, we're set. Just gonna pour a little bit at a time. Stir it in. And now let's pour the rest. Let it cook a little bit to thicken up the sauce. Alright, let's pick it up. We're going to put the spare ribs over white rice. Next, we're going to take some chopped up green onions and put it on top. Okay, this is what we have today, Instapot pork spare ribs with black bean sauce. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.